Guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you do not fix it on time, you may end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us until the end, we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a car. It could be any car. It could be BMW, Mercedes, German, Asian, Americans, all kind of vehicles guys. Okay, we will explain how to replace door seal. It's not very complicated. Stay with us, we will explain guys how to do that step by step. Sooner or later they start failing. When they fail, your car can start leaking water and air. Air will be just noisy on the highway, you will have a little bit of wind noise, but water guys, it ruins your interior. So if it starts dripping inside, the carpet will catch mold, it will be terrible. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that, where you can buy cheap parts too at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. All that will be covered for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Every single car guys that we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine, fuses, codes, transmissions, all that stuff guys. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Check out guys our YouTube channels, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, now we're going to explain how to replace door seal on a front door. Rear will be about the same. So let's come and explain what we need to do now guys. Often when you replace door seals, okay, you can see, okay, that will be the one that starts leaking, the one on the body, because you may have a double seal, you may have a seal on the door as well. In some cases that may deform as well, but this is the important one that prevents water from leaking inside. What you need to do here, usually that cover will need to come out, so with a plastic panel removal too guys, we're going to come underneath. Okay, pull that one out. Okay, we have a few clips. Now these clips, if they're stuck, we need to come and keep getting them, and later you need to position them on that trim piece so we can put everything together when we are ready to. Now the seal itself is not too complicated to replace. On the rear door, sometimes you may need to lift the rear seat. Now right there, you grab it. Okay, check this thing out. Watch how deformed it is. Okay, that's why it's leaking. It's deformed. Okay, and it doesn't seal correctly. You need to do one thing after seal replacement. Make sure you stay till the end. Okay, because they may not sit correctly. We'll talk about that. This is the old seal. Okay, we're going to get a new one now. And the new one, you have to make sure that everything's nice and clean where it's going to go. This one looks great, but just make sure guys, because otherwise, okay, if you have dirt, mud or anything like that, it may not sit correctly and it may start, it may start leaking. So this one, okay, was like this one. Let me see which end was. Okay, perfect. It will be that side now. Okay, that will go first on this side. Okay, so we're going to start on the bottom. It's where you need to guys. Okay, start it, make sure it goes in. You may need to use a mallet hammer. Okay, gently get it in. Okay, that helps, especially corners, because those will be super tight. Okay, they will be super tight guys, and you want to make sure that it sits correctly and you don't cut them short as well. Okay, touch it with your fingers too, make sure everything's good. Okay, and we just keep installing now until we go all the way around. Okay, I want to make sure that everything's seated as it should. Perfect. And we just keep going all the way around guys, all the way around. Okay, check this thing out, it's working, right? Watch how good of a seal it creates. Watch how much it sticks out. Okay, here, corners you need to push in a little bit and then try to get them where they're supposed to, because okay, these corners is where things are a little bit tricky. The corners usually will come a little bit short, so you always need to work a little bit harder, guys, around the corners. Make sure that it goes on the inside where it's supposed to as well. Okay, that's perfect. Check this thing out. We're working, guys, on that thing. Now, we bought those guys, okay? They're kind of like BMW Universal Fit for 3 Series. That way it's way cheaper, but you have to cut them to the length that you need. Okay, we're getting there, guys. This corner, all good. Okay, here now. Again, before you cut, check all your corners. Make sure everywhere that you're supposed to, you're in. Because once you cut it, it's over, guys. Later you can start developing leaks. So we're going to go ahead, cut it now. Always leave it about 3 millimeters longer. Okay, guys, it's going. Perfect. Now we lift them up. That piece locks in the other one. You get both of them. You hammer it again. Even if it's 3-4 millimeters longer, it's fine. Now all we have left, guys, okay, at that point, is you need to adjust all the clips here. Sometimes they're movable, where you can slide them back and forth a little bit. It's kind of like a good thing because you can reposition them, but sometimes it takes forever to install them, guys. Okay, guys, that's it. Check this thing out. Now, one mistake people make, they think they're done. Watch, the door doesn't close, right? Do you see that? Okay, what do we need to do now? These seals, guys, okay, they're really, okay, really new. They have really high profile. So what we will need to do now, we need to adjust them. So how we guys do that, okay? The latch for the door that you have right here, that latch, back in the day somebody pushed it in because the seals were leaking. And sometimes when you have even brand new seals, even if it wasn't adjusted, you need to loosen that. Okay, your alignment of the door may be messed up, so you need to be very careful. Loosen them, and what we need to do, just slide it to the outside. Okay, about 1 or 2 millimeters, 1 millimeter the most, and check it, test it, and go again. You may need to go twice, guys. It really depends. Okay, let's give it a try now. Okay, that's it, guys. You can see the new seal is installed on that BMW. So guys, you see, that's how you replace door seal on a car. It's not very complicated, guys, but if you do it on time, you will save your interior. Otherwise, guys, you can catch mold, you stink, it will be terrible, you have wind noise. Why to put up with that stuff when you can replace them and preserve your vehicle? Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We guys have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We make all these videos to save you as much money as we can. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.